The following message is transmitted by the request of the Los Angeles Police Department. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. At 9:30 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, multiple people have reported shooter that is about to enter into a school. Anyone within a one-block radius of this school must go as far away as possible until you feel you are safe. If you are a student in this school, and are hearing this message, a lockdown drill has been initiated until the shooter is gone. Stay tuned for more updates as this situation gets resolved.
The following message is transmitted by the request of the Los Angeles Police Department. This is an update to the situation that occurred 30 minutes ago. The shooter has now started to kill teachers and soon students in the school. It has also been confirmed that multiple shooters have now entered multiple schools in Los Angeles, killing around 30 teachers in Los Angeles. If you notice dead bodies on the floor, immediately call 911. For your safety, a curfew will take place between 10:15 a.m. to 5 p.m. in the afternoon. Stay tuned for more updates as the situation is resolved.
This message is transmitted by the request of the local authorities. A law enforcement warning has been issued for the Los Angeles metropolitan area. As of 10:35 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, the shooter has now been starting to kill students around the school. News outlets say 10 students have been killed, with 12 injured. If you or your loved ones are in danger, call 911 immediately. Police forces and FBI crews are currently investigating this situation, and if the person was found, they will arrest them. Stay tuned for more updates on this dangerous situation.
This is a message from the principal. I am very sorry to all those students that have lost their friends from this deadly event today. We are currently trying to call the police to take down the shooters from this situation. If you are a student who is witnessing this unfortunate event, remain calm. You will be okay. I will make another video about this deadly situation soon. This message is transmitted by the request of the California State of Police. This is not a test. Repeating, this is not a test. At 11 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, police reported more school shootings in other areas in California. Around 75 kids are dead, with around 30 teachers and adults killed. If you report any school shootings, please dial 9-1-1 for further information. Kids and adults' amount of injuries is still not found yet. Stay tuned for more information on this life-threatening situation.
This message is transmitted by the request of the State of California Police. This is not a test. Repeating, this is not a test. At 11:30 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, the FBI have found the injuries of children and the cause of it. Around 3,000 children in the state of California have been killed as a result of this event, with 15,000 injured. Not only that, there was recently a TikTok trend which caused shooters to go too far in the trend. Information about a shooter is as follows. White male, 6 feet 4 inches tall, white shirt and pants, black jacket, red shoes, and name is Alexandra Kim. If you notice your child is in a dangerous situation, please call 911 for more information.
Bill Swift here for Flex Glue Clear, the crystal clear rubberized glue with amazing instant grab. It locks into place.
This message is transmitted by the request of the California Police Department. This is an administrative message. At 12:35 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, the suspects have confirmed to be in custody and are now going to jail. If you are a family member who has one of their children dead, we apologize for this deadly event. Multiple protests have been taking place about stopping school shootings. The emergency alert system will now sign off.